Quick microwave Spanish white beans with chorizo, serves 4, prep time 25 minutes. A speedy, smoky 1-bowl meal. Let's gather the ingredients. 2 cups canned white beans, drained and rinsed. 4 ounces Spanish chorizo, sliced into thin coins. 1 small onion, finely chopped. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 tablespoon smoked paprika. 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil. 1/2 cup chicken broth. 1 teaspoon fine salt and 1/4 teaspoon ground black pepper. 2 tablespoons chopped fresh parsley for garnish. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Slice 4 ounces of Spanish chorizo into thin coins, finely chop 1 small onion, mince 2 cloves of garlic, and drain and rinse 2 cups of canned white beans. Measure 1 tablespoon smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1/2 cup chicken broth, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon ground black pepper, and 2 tablespoons chopped parsley. Place the sliced chorizo and 1 tablespoon olive oil in a microwave-safe glass bowl. Microwave on 70% power for 2 minutes to render fat and slightly brown the slices, then carefully remove and stir. Add the finely chopped onion to the chorizo in the same microwave-safe bowl. Microwave on 70% power for 2 minutes, pause at 1 minute to stir, until the onion is soft and translucent. Add the minced garlic and 1 tablespoon smoked paprika to the bowl and stir to coat the onion and chorizo. Microwave on 70% power for 45 seconds, then stir again. Add the 2 cups of drained white beans and 1/2 cup chicken broth to the bowl. Season with 1 teaspoon fine salt and 1/4 teaspoon ground black pepper, then stir gently to combine. Microwave the combined mixture on 70% power for 5 minutes, stirring every 2 minutes to ensure even heating. The broth should be hot and the flavor starting to meld. Using a fork, mash about 1/3 of the beans in the bowl to gently thicken the sauce while leaving the rest whole for texture. Return the bowl to the microwave and cook on 50% power for 2 minutes to let the mashed beans thicken further and the flavors meld. Taste and adjust seasoning, adding up to 1/4 teaspoon more salt if needed or a pinch more pepper. Stir and test again until balanced. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons chopped fresh parsley over the beans and cover the bowl. Let the dish rest for 2 minutes to settle the flavors. Spoon the beans and chorizo into a warmed shallow bowl, drizzle a little extra virgin olive oil if desired, and garnish with the reserved parsley. Serve hot and enjoy your Spanish white beans with chorizo. Enjoy your meal. If you enjoyed this quick Spanish bean recipe, please like the video, subscribe for more easy meals, and hit the bell to get notifications. Thanks for watching.